Hey, today we are going to discuss on other context, how to use other context and all, and RESTful web services. Okay, right click. See here, we can use open declaration. We'll see. See, this annotation is used to inject information to a class into a class, field, bean property, and method parameter. This and all. Okay, Palan. See, application URI info request HTTP headers, security context, uh, java.rs.txt providers from 1.1. Okay, for these and all it is there, but in our case we'll see how to use as a into a class field and method parameter. You'll see for this URI info and HTTP headers. Okay, come here. This one. See at the rate context in string and how use at the rate auto void same only here also at the rate context will be used for injecting values and all URI info. Suppose I want to get the URI hello is there right? Out I want to get the entire entire path URI like localhost colon slash slash edge rate 0 slash project name slash hello slash student id entire path I want to get, then I can use URI info like this here at the right context I am using in Spring and all how to use at the rate auto same only I am using here. The same way for HTTP headers also I am using. For HTTP headers and I will see import what I take in URI info, uh, URI info and say or javax dot ws dot rs dot core dot URI info. This is one more one HTTP headers. Was that this one? Say that one also. ws dot rs dot core dot HTTP headers for both same only. Fine, right? Same package only. So this is one way of using. Then what I am doing here info dot what is that info? URI info. URI get absolute path. We'll see what are the methods and all available here. Info slash okay control space. We'll see get path is there. Get path boolean decode hash code to string okay equals get absolute path. Get the absolute path of the request. This includes everything preceding the path, host, port, etc. So earlier I also told right from the local host, what is a host and port also. Okay, here anyhow it is local, right? So it will be port 80 default and all. This is get absolute path. One more path is there. What is this path difference? Get the path of the current request. URI. Base URI has string. All sequences escaped octets are decoded equivalent. Okay, see we will see both and all how we will see printout and all we will see. Okay, fine. Next, what are so many methods are there, but we will see only the absolute path. Query param get request URI, so many are there. Okay, get this is get absolute path we are printing here. Then I am getting HTTP headers. I am printing HTTP header get headers get request header key set and all I am getting. I am printing all these headers of information here. Okay, these are all not required actually. These are all just we are going to how to use the other context here. Fine. The student also but let it be here only. But just we are printing. But in what I am doing here. Okay. Okay, fine. I added all these and all HTTP headers. Okay. I'm adding all these to string builder. In a string builder, builder dot append URI info dot get absolute path, HTTP append dot HTTP get cookies. We'll see whatever information from the headers is there. Then we'll I'm printing only cookies here. Later we'll see one by one. Let it be. Okay, this is one way of using other context actually as a uh, class variables. Okay, one more is there, we can use directly here. Here it is there, right? Method parameter as a method parameters. Okay, now I'm commenting this entire thing. Take here comma, remove this comment, uncomment it. Here also uncomment it. Done. Both ways we are using. Let it be. Okay. Now I'm going to start the server. Right click, run as run on server. Next, finish it. Done. Check for any errors under console. Nothing. Okay. Done. No errors. Fine. Now open the Postman. Okay. Postman is started. Open Postman. Now what is the method? This is get method only. Okay. That context here. Your info and std fields. Earlier I told, right, we are using two ways. One is as a method parameter, one is a class variables here. Okay, both. Nothing is there. The context means other auto wire how you are injecting values in the string and all. Same. Fine. Okay. Now in output what we are getting here? Response dot response dot status. What is the status? Status okay. That means 200 entity build dot toString. Whatever is there appending to string builder, I am converting to toString, then build. I am returning response. We'll see. Now go to Postman, get method, done it. Yeah, we got the URL. This is the whatever you are appending on the yesterday whereas that cookie you are appending, the cookie is not coming here. Okay, fine. And then what and all is there? Okay, we are printing, right, everything here from the this one headers yesterday where header I'm printing header. Okay, whatever key is coming here. Okay, fine. From the key set I'm getting okay, fine. Set volume for using for each loop I'm iterating and I'm getting here fine. Get absolute path. What is the absolute path here? Fine. Come to console. What is the absolute path? Say absolute path it is giving hello 1 2 id I given info value absolute path that is here from here http colon slash slash localhost 000 rest is a client hello student 1 2. Okay, this is fine. Next what uh, this absolute path we got, and then okay, this is one of the way actually using absolute path is over AR info HTTP headers. From the HTTP header, whatever hash level, this one from the headers I'm printing everything here. Except all the values in header, whatever value is coming from the header, I'm printing here. Okay. Now we are printing instead of absolute path, I'm printing here only path. Get path. See now what is coming here. Then here instead of these and all, right, connection keep alive host instead of cookie, what happened? But it is getting restarted. Okay, fine. Next I am printing host. Was that go here from the HTTP headers. Okay, here put host instead of get cookies. Instead of get cookies, we'll say get header name. Sorry, get test code, get access, get cookies, get date, get language. we'll see get date on the header plus date, right? Now what we can print here? Headers. See here from the HTTP headers I'm printing date and language. Yes, lot of things are there, but as of now I'm printing only these two, language and this one from the HTTP headers. This one context. Okay, server got restarted. Now go here. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, language is coming null, host also is coming null. Sorry, not host, that one. What is that? Date. See, from the HTTP headers, I am passing some value in the header. For get request, I am passing all. That is, all is one value like this here. See, if we go here, input headers. See, for headers, I am sending one value. I all. Thus, value is this is key. This is value. Hello, I am sending actually. In headers, I am getting same only. Language data is coming null. So I'm passing. My intent is to I want to get the I want to print the some value from the headers. So I'm passing some value key all and value also hello. So I'm printing here for that one. See here from the output. Okay, now it got restarted also. Okay, let it maximize it. Okay, now go here, send it. What happened? Okay, yeah, it got language is printing null, data is also printing, but hello, that let us say this list of values is coming hello here. Okay, fine. This is how it use context as a method. Now you're using as a uh, class variables. Now this is over, so I'm commenting entire thing here. Control shift question mark. Okay, now select entire thing. Control shift single pipe. Done. Control S got restarted. Done. Completed. Now go here. Send it. Same. This also working. So these two ways you can use actually this context pair. Sorry, other context. Okay, fine. Thank you. This is code and all. So other context. This one get method. This is here method parameters. Here class variables. Done. This is how response dot status log entity. Here I'm sending as a string to string, right? This string will convert to string and I'm sending. This is fine. Thank you.